Hello everybody, welcome at Balloon Stuff Explanations 101. Today we're going to talk about useful balloon philosophy, celebrating the moment. Okay, maybe you think I am just having a balloon shop or decorating company, or I work as a performer. Why are we talking about balloon philosophy? Well, getting a deeper understanding of yourself and your clients will help you to become more effective in your work and offering your balloon designs. Did you ever ask yourself why people use balloons for celebrations? How did balloons become a symbol of celebration? Originally, the world was divided in two types of countries: flower countries and balloon countries. In countries where it's easy and cheap to produce flowers, people traditionally choose flowers to decorate events and bring as a gift. In countries where flowers are difficult to grow and more expensive, but balloons are easy to get, people traditionally use balloons for celebrations. Nowadays, since balloons and balloon art are becoming more and more popular and easier to find, worldwide many people find their way to a local balloon store. So how did flowers and balloons become the symbol we choose for celebration? Let's have a look why people celebrate. Humans all over the world celebrate the most important moments of their lives. The birth of a child, a graduation, an anniversary, a birthday, a wedding. We want to share our important moments with our friends and loved ones. So we plan a celebration and we take time to make it look special. And then we invite all our friends to stop for a moment with their daily lives and just enjoy and celebrate our special moment together with us. Now, to show everybody that this moment is really important, we use symbols that only exist in the moment, things without a past and a future, like a flower and like a balloon. When we see a balloon bouquet, we know it's especially made only to last for the moment. The sole existence of a balloon is to celebrate the moment. And by doing so, all our balloons work like a magnifying glass to emphasize the importance of our celebration. That's why we also use live musicians, performers, a birthday cake, and even the candles on top. All elements that are only made to last, especially that day. When we do things with love, the more time and attention we spend in details to make our balloon creations look amazing, the more it shows how important we find this moment. And instead of just producing something quickly, now you are giving it all your love and your work becomes better. You will find more pleasure creating your balloon designs. And that little bit of extra you give, your clients and their guests will notice. And the value of your work? That just went up. Because you made their most important moment also yours. And that's really celebrating the moment. Thank you for watching Balloon Stuff Explanations 101. See you next time.